Hello, today I will guide you on how to create a bootable USB drive for Windows 11 using Rufus. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install Rufus on your Windows 11 operating system. And in addition, I'm going to show you how you can use Rufus to create a bootable USB drive for Windows 11 operating system. Step 1, install Rufus. Go to your favorite browser and search for Rufus. Click on the first link from Rufus. Scroll down to the download section and click on the latest version. Once downloaded, open the .exe file and allow the installation. Once the download is complete, locate the .exe file in your Downloads folder and double-click to open it. If a security warning appears, click Run or Yes to proceed with the installation. Step 2, download Windows 11 ISO file. Search for Windows 11 ISO on your browser. Click the first link from Microsoft. Scroll down to the Download Windows 11 Disk Image ISO section. Scroll down to the section labeled Download Windows 11 Disk Image ISO. Select the Windows 11 edition, then click Download. Click on the 64-bit download button to start downloading the ISO file. Wait until the download is complete. Step 3, create a bootable USB drive. Insert a USB drive with at least 8 GB of storage into your computer. Open Rufus and select your USB drive from the Device drop-down menu. Under Boot Selection, click Select and browse to the location where you saved the Windows 11 ISO file. Set partition scheme to GPT and target system to UEFI. Optionally rename the volume label to Windows 11 Bootable USB. Keep file system as NTFS and leave cluster size as default. Click Start and confirm the warning that all data on the USB drive will be erased. Wait for Rufus to complete the bootable USB creation process. Once the status says ready, safely eject your USB drive. You have successfully created a bootable USB drive for Windows 11. You can now use it to install Windows 11 on any compatible computer. That's it for this tutorial. Hope you found it helpful.